Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to update PHP version in WordPress without cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to update PHP in WordPress safely. So right now we're gonna scroll a little bit down to the steps. So the first step is check the current WordPress PHP version. On the hPanel dashboard, go to WordPress and then go to Overview. The settings are available in the PHP version section. Via WordPress dashboard, on the WordPress admin area, navigate to Tools and then Site Health. Go to the Info tab and expand the server category to see the website's current PHP version. Create backup of your WordPress site. Before performing a PHP update, we highly recommend backing up your WordPress site. So after you create a backup, then update the WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Go to the WordPress and then security. You will find information about the WordPress version, plugins, themes, security issues, and recommended actions. If any new updates are available, click the three dots icon and select Updates to install them. Via WordPress dashboard, go to the dashboard and then Updates. To update the plugins, tick the Select All checkbox and click Update Plugins. Click the Update to the version button to update WordPress. Update the PHP version of your WordPress site. On hPanel, navigate to Advanced, then PHP Configuration. Select the preferred PHP version and click Update. Then click Confirm and wait for the updates process is complete. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.